Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, to all the school heads of the different schools and districts of the Division of Misamis Oriental.
And today marks the beginning of the newly established district, the East District of Opol. This remarkable initiative of the Division of Misamis Oriental, headed by our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Jonathan de la Pina, is a manifestation of where we are now in dealing with the organizational and continuous improvement in our department. With the hashtag Edo Day 1. You know what is Edo Day 1? It's District of Opol Day 1.
It's been 12 days, I think I'm thinking straight.
Hello, Honorable Macasarte, other municipal officials and barangay officials who are here present, members of the PSDS Association of the Province of Misamis Oriental, school heads, teachers in charge, and teachers of Igpit National High School. Mayong buntag sa inyong tanan. So I'm very much honored to be here today to perform several firsts. Actually, this is the first installation ceremony that I'm going to conduct for all the schools, for all the districts now being established as new district offices. And first also to accomplish a resolution supporting the redistricting of Opol District. Thank you very much, Mayor. Thank you very much, Honorable Macasarte, for your proactive mindset. That could not have been done without your support, because we really need the support by your humble official here. So congratulations, Pio, on your promotion from district in charge to Public Schools District Supervisor, full-fledged. And congratulations also for your designation and appointment as PSDS of the first ever established district in the Division of Misamis Oriental East Opol District. So that being said, by the authority visited me as the Schools Division Superintendent of the Department of Education, Division of Misamis Oriental, I now install you as Public Schools District Supervisor of East Opol District. Congratulations, ay maayong buntag sa kanila.
Pio Bagares was just installed just a minute ago. Doc, congratulations, and then yet another challenge for you. Okay, so working together with Dr. Roie Ubayubay in our effort to deliver excellent and quality education for the children of Opol has been a challenging and inspiring experience. Challenging in the sense that this pandemic rocked us to the core. Yet inspiring in the sense that we are motivated to continue to adapt, level up, explore, be more, and give more.
Because of our new district supervisor. His name, District of Opol, Dr.
Thank you. Thank you. As your new district supervisor. But there is assured that my presence here will be of giving best services to the Opolanons. I am very happy indeed that Sir Joe granted my request for my transfer here, and of course the Lord Almighty for answering all my prayers and granting all my wishes in life. No? Dili ba ya kay, according to the Bible, many are called but few are chosen. So definitely, I will return good services to Opolanons as giving thanks to the Lord for this wonderful opportunity given to me. I think there's no need to tell you how my leadership works because you know me already. And I have been in Opol for 1 year and 11 months, you know. Although that was very short. I finally end with this saying that leadership is not an action but something to be better services to our stakeholders and to you. So as your district supervisor, rest assured that I will be working harmoniously with you to surmount the achievements or the performance of the Department of Education, particularly Misamis Oriental, to attain the vision and mission of DepEd in providing quality basic education to our clientele. Once again, a pleasant morning and God bless everyone.
Sayod kita nga sa pipila ka mga activities nga gipahigayon sa atuang lungsod, sa barangay nga related sa education, full support gayud ang atong halangdon nga mayor. Inubanan sa Sangguniang Bayan ug sa mga barangay councils nga naa sa lungsod sa Opol. Sa diha nga pagpakita namo sa mong suporta, amo pong mapafeel sa inyo sa mga teachers, sa atuang mga school principal nga tinud-anay ang amuhang pagsuporta kaninyo o tungod pod kaninyo maplastar ang among mga kabatanunan diri sa amuhang barangay.
Roie, it is our dream sa una nga ma-divide mato district ang Opol but the dreams become reality. Today become reality kay gi-install. Wa mi nag-inspect nga i-install agad-agad ni Sir De La Piña si Sir Pio pero nalipay po siya kay usara daw gasto. Apil po mi nalipay. Sir, na-install and today it is memorable. Congratulations, Sir Pio.
So we have protocols to observe. Ang mga bata sa nato, mga estudyante, wala pa karon diri sa atong eskwelahan. Pero I hope nga kita mga teachers, we are doing our part. Doing distance teaching. I know it's a challenge on all of us, pero maningkamot ta with the new leadership, with 2 district supervisors of Opol. I hope nga kitang tanan magmalampuson on the part of education. Opol will be #1. Thank you and good morning to everybody.
Dr. Pio Bagares, congratulations. Because when we came into the office of the Schools Division Superintendent last Thursday, his instruction was the RD of this region will be the one to install the new PSDS. But upon coming today, seeing all of you here, my friends, it seems that the direction of the wind has changed. And I'm so happy that listening to the part of the program today, it seems that this is now at the new beginning of the S District. Sahay, maglibog ang teachers ko. Aron ka maglibog, yun lang ang East West District o sabot China Bank District. Kaya naaman ang East o West. But I'm just joking. Sir Pio will be representing the S District and yours truly will be representing also the West District. So the two of us, we will be working, will be serving the 427 personnel of DepEd Opol District. Of course, under the chairman of the Special Education Fund, Honorable Mayor Maximeno Viceno, and our Committee Chair on Education, Honorable John Macasarte, together with our Federated Advisor, at the same time the President of the PTA Association, Honorable Beth Tangub. To all of you, thank you for coming because to me, this is a victory.
We appreciated much our engagement on this significant event in our district. So on behalf of the school administrators, I would like to express my gratitude to all of you who come together here this morning. We gave a warm welcome to Dr. Pio Bagares, our new PSDS. Sir, we are excited to have you to lead the way as we work together to achieve challenges along the way. We are proud and happy to have you with us in our district. Your presence in our district is nothing less than a blessing to us. We have faith in you, in your ability and smartness. So welcome, Sir Pio. And I would like to say a million thanks to Sir Roie Ubayubay. Though we feel sad knowing that we are separated into 2 districts, we want to tell you, sir, that you are a true leader and an inspiration to us. Thank you for your encouragement and support over the years. Thank you for noticing and appreciating our contributions. Your words of encouragement are what drive us to do great work. To work under your leadership is the most significant work experience that anyone would be lucky to have. We genuinely proud to be led by such a great leader like you, sir. Thank you for showing your kindness, sharing your wisdom, and creating a place where we have been happy to spend our working hours. Thank you for everything, Sir Roie.